Alrighty, Dustin, I got to tell you, thank you for coming back for round two, because at the end of our first video today, which was a lot of fun, you hit me with something out of left field. Basically, owner occupant can get 4.99% 30-year fixed rate money. And I just got to hear more. I've often said that 499 is the magic number. I had no idea you could get it today. So tell me the rules of the road. How can somebody get 499 today? What's what?
Yeah, it's very simple and new. This 4.99 magic number popped up on rate sheets 2 days ago, and we touched it on our last video. It's not because the 10 years down 40 basis points, because that used to essentially be the low 5.3, 5.4.
Yep.
It's the fact that the margin or the cushion that is inherently been, I'd say, a little bit too fat for the last two,
It's
three,
been
four
fat,
years.
fat, fat.
Yeah. Is finally taking a cut, which this is what it's telling consumers is, look, now the banks and the lenders are willing and wanting to get you guys back through the door. So how do they do
Yes.
that? Look, the 499 isn't I'll start. It's an owner occupied primary 30-year fix, first time home buyer or your next primary, whatever. You can get there with a 20% down. Okay, this is a purchase, right? 740 credit, right? With just under 1 point for a buy down. Not 3
And you could get
points,
the
not
seller
4
to pay
points.
for it. The
You can
seller
get
will
the
pay that.
seller very easily 1 point in today's market, you know. To get 1 point to get to 499. I think you said it right before this, and I conferred, like, I take that and run and set it and forget it, because I'm not getting
Oh,
something
absolutely.
much better than 499 where I'll want to refinance anytime soon.
Well, let me just ask this right now. I actually pushed my next meeting back because this is so important. If somebody wanted to reach out to you right now, because 499 is exciting, they are doing owner occupied, they are putting 20% down. They do have the 740 plus credit score. What do they do? Let's just tell them that right now.
They got to call us right away, because look, we've seen it happen. Lenders and the mortgage industry will
Exactly.
have a product or a rate available. It might be for a week, it might be for 2 days, but if you can get it in, get your full application in now, lock the rate, because the nice part about conventional loans, they have forward commitments on the back end. So you lock it, it ain't going anywhere.
Yeah.
That could be gone. I don't think it will be, based on our last video, that rates most likely are going to get lower anyways.
Yeah.
I don't think, though, the 499 will be lower. It might just be less
No, that's,
expensive on
yeah, the
buy.
spread. Yeah. Yeah. I
499
think
is the bottom floor, and, like, look, investment conventionals 5.3, same cost, but 5.3
5.3.
for an
I had
investment
no
product.
idea that we were getting there. And this is all about spreads. Because again, folks, we've been, again, the spreads were really fat. They've started to come in. They still have more to go. Spreads could fall another 45, 46 basis points just to get back to average.
Yeah.
Banks are starving. Banks aren't seeing transactions. So when the world wakes up and realizes that 499 owner occ is possible, that 5.3 investor loans is possible, things are going to get interesting. So again, folks, if you want these today, you got to reach out to convoyhomeloans.com. Tell them you came from ORAT. Why? Because you want to talk to this man, Dustin, or his partner, Jonathan, who will take care of you. But again, let's talk about this. This is fascinating to me. I got to tell you, if you would have given me a bet, you gave me $1,000 to bet that if we would see 499 on the rate sheets this year, I would not have said yes. I would have been wrong.
Yeah, no way. No way.
Yeah. So
Usually,
again,
like,
yeah.
go ahead. You go.
I was going to say the only way this happens is banks are starving, or lenders are starving, because again, the transactions are fell off a cliff. So they're sacrificing spread to get a lower number to get up volume, right? Is that what's happening?
Yeah, and look, there's been so many studies on consumers, and particularly consumers looking and shopping for mortgages, etc. We've tried for the last 4 or 5 years, and there's been some great products that have came out to try and spur the volume in different ways, right? But the only thing they care about, the first question they ask, the thing they want to, speak to their wife or brother or cousin about and brag about, is what's the rate,
Yeah.
right? You can get people through the door just by advertising or showing that, hey, you can go as low as 4.99.
Yeah. 4.99, less than a point. You got to have certain credit, certain down, all of those things. Get the seller to pay the point. Doesn't even come out of your pocket. It's crazy.
a
Yeah.
no-brainer. And
No
you can
brainer.
do it on a refi too, right? We went over purchases, but the same thing would be if you were, put 20 down 2 years ago and got 7%. You
Right.
could refi right now, pay a point, and get 499.
No cash out probably though.
No cash out. Cash
Yeah.
out's
Just
probably going to be a quarter to three
a
eighths of
half.
a point
Yeah.
hit.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So again, rate and term all day long. Again, if you're in the sevens
Do
and
it.
you don't step up and do a 499, what are you doing?
Yeah.
I mean, seriously, what are you doing? So again, you hit it earlier. One of the good things about conventional loans like this is there's those forward commitments. So if somebody wanted to get a file started, how soon could they get to rate lock? Because that's really where this, protects them. A couple of
Depending on
days.
who we use, most are going to let us lock within 1 or 2 days.
Yeah.
Okay. No one right now is going to let you lock prior to getting it in underwriting, right?
Sure.
Which will take usually 1 or 2 days. But
Yeah.
there are a lot out there that won't let you lock for like 7 or 10 days. That 499 might be gone, but if we're right
Yeah.
about job reports next or
Yeah.
tomorrow,
Tomorrow. Yeah.
it'll
Well,
be
folks,
there.
if you're interested in this and you want to get it started, I can't stress this enough. You don't want to get involved in a queue. You want to jump to the front of the line. You want to deal with this man, Dustin, or his partner, Jonathan. You have to reach out to Convoy Home Loans, tell them you came from ORAT. You can go to their website, say, how'd you hear from me, ORAT? Or heck, this might be important enough to place a phone call. Are we at that point where somebody should pick up the phone and call? If so, what number do they call?
Yeah, they can. What's crazy is that we have so many different numbers. I'll give you my number.
Oh, wow. No way. We're going to get your number.
You
Okay.
can find it on the website if you spend an extra 10 seconds just clicking around. But my number is 323-476-0156.
Folks, I'm going to make sure this video posts today, which is Thursday the 4th, September 4th. I am hoping I get a text from Dustin later in the day, maybe tomorrow, saying, Zuber, what the hell did you do to my voicemail? Because I hope there's a lot of people that hear this 499 or 5.3 and go, tell me more. Dustin, one more time, what's the phone number?
323-476-0156.
This ought to get interesting. Dustin, you're amazing, man. Take care.
Thank you.